Windows play a major role in how comfortable, quiet, and visually appealing a home feels. Over time, even well-built windows can lose their effectiveness, leading to subtle issues that gradually impact daily living. For homeowners in Coppell, recognizing the signs that it's time to upgrade to replacement windows can help prevent ongoing discomfort and protect the long-term condition of the home. Noticeable drafts near window areas. One of the most common signs of aging windows is the presence of drafts. If you feel unwanted air movement near windows, it usually means seals have worn down or frames no longer fit tightly. In Coppell homes, drafts can make certain rooms uncomfortable and harder to use. Replacement windows help eliminate these air leaks by creating a tighter, more reliable seal. Inconsistent indoor temperatures. Windows that no longer perform properly often cause uneven temperatures throughout the home. Some rooms may feel warmer while others stay cooler, even when indoor systems are running. Coppell homeowners frequently notice these temperature shifts near older windows. Upgrading to replacement windows helps stabilize indoor temperatures and improves overall comfort. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows should open and close smoothly. If they stick, jam, or require force, it's often a sign of frame warping or mechanical wear. In Coppell homes, struggling windows aren't just inconvenient, they can be a safety concern. Replacement windows restore smooth operation and improve ease of use. Increased outside noise indoors. When windows lose their ability to seal tightly, outside noise can travel easily into the home. Sounds from traffic, neighbors, or daily activity become more noticeable. Coppell homeowners who experience increased noise levels often find that replacement windows help restore a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Condensation or moisture around windows. Moisture buildup on or around windows is another indicator that replacement may be needed. Condensation can signal poor insulation or failing seals. In Coppell homes, recurring moisture near windows can lead to discomfort and potential damage if left unaddressed. Replacement windows help manage moisture more effectively and support a drier interior. Visible frame damage or wear. Cracks, peeling finishes, or warped frames are signs that windows are past their prime. These issues can affect both appearance and performance. Coppell homeowners benefit from replacing windows before visible damage leads to bigger problems. New windows refresh the home's look while improving functionality. Reduced comfort near windows. If seating or workspaces near windows feel uncomfortable, the windows may be allowing heat transfer or drafts. Upgrading to replacement windows in Coppell homes restores comfort near window areas, making rooms more usable and enjoyable. Rising maintenance and repairs. Windows that require frequent adjustments or repairs can become a constant frustration. Ongoing maintenance is often a sign that replacement is the better long-term solution. Coppell homeowners appreciate that replacement windows reduce upkeep demands and deliver consistent performance. Outdated appearance. Affecting home-style windows influence both interior and exterior appearance. Outdated or mismatched windows can make a home feel tired or neglected. Replacing old windows gives Coppell homes a refreshed, modern look that enhances overall appeal. Knowing when to make the upgrade. Recognizing these signs early allows homeowners to address window issues before they worsen. Replacement windows provide long-term comfort, improved performance, and renewed appearance. For homeowners in Coppell, upgrading to replacement windows is a practical step toward a quieter, more comfortable, and visually appealing home, one that performs reliably for years to come.